Good morning, my fans them again. Up and live. Let me tell you this. You have a couple people nowadays. But anytime them see you, put on your clothes. Them come out with criticism. No, me is a man, Let me tell you this. I'm going to show you one of my slippers. Where them some of them have problem with. You see this? Look at this. You see this? This is a gladiator slippers. Here? This is before Jesus them come on the earth, them slippers they did a wear. You see the next slippers them when me wear? A gladiator slippers. A warrior slippers. A slippers where band wear when they on battlefield. David wear them slippers here. Moses wear them slippers here. Jesus Christ wear them slippers here. Let me tell you something. Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego wear them slippers here. Because when them slippers here make shoes not make yet. You have some little boy you can see man in them clothes. Real bad man in them clothes. And I can talk about man I wear Battyman slippers. I can ask you a question. Did you people were talk about Battyman? You see? Me tell you no Battyman now. Battyman I dirty boy them where they are Jamaica we are sell themselves on the road. Battyman I boy them we living at the gully at Jamaica. You hear? Batty boy the boy them we living on Jamaica road are going like them a girl pitney. Me know some different people when they in gear. Well if you not talk about the gear people them clothes, me tell you no this. Every designer wanna have in the world. The best designers are gays. So every pants you wanna put on, Battyman make it then, or gear people make it. Every suit you wanna wear, gear people make it. Tell me which industry you have in the world where gear people not there. When I can chat about gear, I'm tell you something. You stop ramp with my clothes. Because enough of the things that when I wear, you can't wear them. And the things where are born. You go out and buy some little cheap things where everybody see them put on. I say good morning again. To all of my fans them where I say good morning. Let me tell you this. You know, if you stop learn to stop criticize people things when you can't afford. Because you can't afford some cheap things and regular things where everybody wear. You see, the real people, them when they see in your things, them come out and say, Ninja man, that slippers, they look nice, that shoes, they look nice, that suit, they look nice. The little critics, them we can't buy clothes. When time you go to a dance hall, you see 6 of them in a same suit, 6 of them in a same pants, 6 of them in a same shirt. And when I do with so much brother and sister in the world, after me I not twinny, I want to take this thing for. Me are no regular people, me a star. You know if you watch star clothes and go look star clothes to buy. If you no see R. Kelly in his slippers, you no run go buy it. If you no see Puff Daddy in his slippers, you no run go buy it. Me see rap artists I wear dress and you know buy it and I wear like a big pussy girl. Let me tell you this. Me no wear dress. And me see you in a dress. Here. Me wear Charlene clothes. Kick till you fool. Me wear ninja clothes. Here. Men them think them wear. Me's a Charling monk. You understand? Don't ramp with me. I got the trademark of a ninja. And anytime I put on my clothes, I want to see my clothes and stop watch my clothes. Because let me tell you something. You see any man where I look for man clothes and I talk about man clothes. It come like some boy them they want go in a man clothes. Me a real bad man. I want to stop admire my clothes. A woman alone for admire my clothes and I talk about women you wear and women not wear. You hear? Because none of you can buy when me I wear. Me not buy clothes where they have it up in a store every minute. You hear? Me buy clothes that me go search for. Me buy things that me go search for. My wife is a Hollywood designer. You hear? They design things in Hollywood. I'm not a common youth. I'm not a regular youth. Don't expect me to wear regular things. You know, little loquacious characters and men, they can little nincompoop when I know nothing in life. I get up and run off on the mouth and I lay. Let me tell you something, I have enough of you here, and some of you go away. Some of you use the internet like how we are dealing with it now. You see the positive things that we use the internet do from we can go live. We start disarm down to plastic gun from use. You understand? We start uplift with community. We start showing what Ice Cream Sunday is all about. We start make peace in our community with the internet. Why not use it though? Criticize people. Or not criticize my slippers them. One of my slippers are $500 US dollar feet. Some of them are 300. Some of them are 200 and odd. Tell me something. When last you drink a cup of tea with value 50 cents? I going to give you a joke. This is what I want to know. You see the time when you sit down and watch a next man business who living better than you should have stepped towards making for life a better life to live. The criticizer them, if you ever check out for them bedroom, a 7 month them bed no spread. The criticizer them, if you check out them lifestyle, them picnic cannot even go school. Some of you suffer like dog. I want to sit down and watch a next man business. You understand me? These are the things that I want to start focus on 2017. You cannot sit down every day watching a man who is moving on with him life, because when me get up and me put on my clothes, me come out to come do something positive for the day. Me come out to step forward for no say. At 50 a day me in a world, I mean I have no time for waste, no time for rest, no time for sit down, no time for idle. There's things to done. My life well set already, because the only thing me can live for do now is for the rest of my life till when God say, you want now ninja man, come on 5 years I heard. You see? Me can't gain nothing more out of life. You understand? So what uno must do is try to reach where ninja man reach. When can tell you say, me know say me can't gain nothing more out of life. Because the one thing you can do in a life is either rich or poor. You see? I'm a past poor stage. You hear? So someone if you try past poor stage and start live a proper life and start live in a life where people can respect you and look up to you and honor you. You know if you stop live like careless people. You know sit down and watch some people where look for me now. Me going to Mega Mart go shopping the other day and it becomes BBC News, Fox News. You understand me? Look at that simple man just going to Mega Mart, go shopping and it becomes BBC News. And look at you where they on the internet and criticize me. When you ever, nobody know you when you're shopping. Nobody ever see you shopping. So why you come and talking about people that is living a better life than you? People who make a stand. Me never get up and be a dunce and be a little lacquerous character American. Me never get up and be a cruff. I was born in the country, raised in the ghetto, but me still not condemn myself. Why you sit down and condemn for yourself? I live like a little damn idiot. Me have my life good. You know, some jacuzzi in a bathroom, I don't use it yet and never go inside it. Here, I don't go inside that because me not frightened feet. Some of you know that like to have a jacuzzi. Some of you know that like to have a proper house. Some of you know that like to have a proper life. Some of you know that like to live with a proper woman. You know need a proper wife, some proper kids and some proper upliftment. You know sit down every day before you look forward to make yourself better off in life. You know sit down and criticize people who are better than you know. When you know they pan bounty killer, you know they pan beanie man, when you know they pan beanie man, you know they pan Capleton, when you know they pan Capleton, you know they pan Sizzler, when you know they pan Sizzler, you know they pan eye donor, when you know they pan eye donor, you know they pan busy signal, when you know they pan busy signal, you know they pan lady star, when you left up a lady star, you know jump on Spice, when you jump up a Spice, you know jump on Statious, you know jump on Angel, you know jump on Kiefer. Me tell you know this. All of the people them want to see, you know, live and a text set and a chat all type of things about. You know, ever realize that none of we no member, you know? Not one of we no see, you know. Not one of us have time for a conversation about, you know, because we don't know, you know. You hear? We do not know, you know. And we try not to know, you know. Because phone type of life and phone type of living and food type of thing they want to deal with. I know that we are dealing with. We are dealing with future. We are dealing with upliftment. We are dealing with betterment for ourselves because we know say where we come from, we don't intend to go back there. And the life where we used to live when we were young and couldn't do better, we now live that life there till we old. You understand me? You know, if you take an example out of our book, look upon a man like me. One of it look as the biggest role model in the history of dancehall. When me is a man we get up, and when me see how dancehall I go, and me study the thing, and them say, you want know, the first thing them all use and chop reggae music artists is coke. And me go in night and go and say, move from here, so me I go show them say, we're going to step in that and step out. And me step out and show them say, people that say that when you smoke cocaine, you will never stop. I prove them wrong. I prove them that they're liar. That is one mark on the take and say, yes, that's a great road model. Me go in a badness. And from me born till now, me get the baddest reputation as a reggae artist. And now my country look up to me as one of the biggest road models. You understand me? Me I go around and I say trend now that youth can live to see a brighter future. Youth can have upliftment. Youth can go educate themselves. Youth can live out of crime and violence. Youth can live out of prison. You understand me? At them things that you feel look towards. Helping the nation to be strong and be better off. You sit down and criticize people and attack one bag of foolishness. What it benefit you? I like and give you something for you to listen to now. You say anything for 2017 no benefit you, do not step towards it. So if you get up this man and man look at you and say, hey, let me tell you something. I will knock in your face with a piece of board. And him come and joke you on your chest with him finger and I say, you're a big fool. Just count to 10. Think 1, 2, 3. If me chop that boy in his face this morning, it'll go benefit me. And you're going to hear a voice say, listen this. You is the one guy go to jail. You is the one guy go to prison. He is the one that facing all the sufferation. Because when you chop him in the face, the first place him going run go to is the police station. And if him not even go to the police station, same time have to rush to the hospital. As him reach the hospital, the police will be there. And the police going need that information. Them going collect a statement from him, who chop you. You think him going tell people them say fall down? No. Him going tell them is you chop him. Then the police going come for you. Then what it going benefit you if you sit down at jailhouse and prison? Eh? Then and again, when you is a young youth and you take up yourself, see a next man with gun and join with him. Take up the gun after your mother send your father send you to school to learn. You get all your education. Then you become a criminal. Will it benefit you? No. When your mother come visit you at the jail door and I cry tears, will it benefit you? When your baby mother come visit you at the bullpen and I get disrespect, will it benefit you? When you're there behind the bars and I wonder when you're going to come home and the judge and the jury, the judge and the clerk of court are kill you with remand, will it benefit you? Tell me something. When the judge and the jury find you guilty, will it benefit you? No. So right now, all I something them will not benefit we right now. No, make we not do it. Here? Make we don't do it. Because I can tell you something, youths and youths in this world. All of the things them want to do will benefit other people. Uno go down in a pit. Because when you do get 3 year water remand, 4 year remand, 5 year remand, and your case don't try yet. And then when it come to trial, you get 8 year. You see? You know 5 and 8 how much? At 13 years that waste out of your young life. When you could have out the road and do something to make yourself better off. You hear? And when me talk to you, me not talk because me is a man who just a chat off my mouth. Me talk from experience. You hear? No know what you are running on. No know what I get into. Me talk from experience. Because me I go tell you something. If me get back half of my lawyer money. One parish in Jamaica owned by Ninja Man. Because me I pay lawyer from 1980. Yeah? Straight back till 2016. You understand me? So make me tell you this. And until now at 2017, me not think me don't pay lawyer yet. Because me is a man, me have to deal with my lawyer nice. And even when me pay my money to defend my case, me know say, my lawyer still a come to court even when the case not done. So me still have to give me lawyer. I think for make them know say, your client check for you and your lawyer work for you more comfortable when you treat them good. You understand? Now all these money were wasted by Ninja Man in a courthouse and jailhouse and prison. You know what people that could have helped? Eh? They tell me something now. Uno want to do the same thing? Let me tell you something. No for uno not go lucky like me. Yeah? No for uno not go blessed like me. And no for uno not know if it do things the way how me do it to survive till today. Because me do my things, they might say me a real bad man, but me bad with love. In my community, you know, carry domestic dispute. No man no beat him woman in my community. No woman and no man no in a fight in my community. In my community, you have only one thing, one umbrella where everybody cover under. Whether you're labor right, PNP, WPJ, NDM, I don't care which part you choose. I don't care what watch your race, watch your color, watch your size. I just know say certain people where God not accept, me not too business about them, then if you come near me. Me not care who you. Me don't go and know say in my community, we have a loving and a peaceful community, crime-free, gun-free, everything. Me tell the government say I will assist to cut down crime. Me can't assist to collect gun a police and soldier duty that. You understand me? Some want the eye them to look into themselves and know say today ninja man come to you again and attack to you say. No for things you wanna do where it's not beneficiary to you, your family, your kids, your community. Leave it alone, brother. If Jamaica just focus on the positiveness of life and the people them in the world focus on the positive of life, when we reach further, too much people sit down and criticize, too much people sit down and watch, too much people sit down and hate on people thing. You understand me? And pay your life no attention. Only a set of stupid idiots or what? Uno life ugly. Uno life ugly. Uno life miserable. Uno life dark. Uno life look like when blackout and storm come and current gone and all kind of something. Uno need to brighten up uno life. Uno need to brighten up uno life, and me mean brighten it up from inside out uno soul, inside out uno heart, inside out uno mind. Uno to cleanse uno self. Cleanse the corrupted way and the evilous way of thinking. Cleanse the negativity out of uno heart. Virgin do not live like some little animal. You understand? The animal, them will live better than you. If you see a dog get licked down and dead now, a be a dog over him go cry and then leave for a good while. That means that they miss him. Nowadays, when people dead, people not even look upon him. If you notice nowadays, if you have one time when you have a car accident and somebody get crushed, mash up in the car, the first thing people run to draw them out and assist them. You know what happen now when you crash in a car? A man take out him phone and I say, blouse and skirt, last star, look there. The girl pum fat, ray. This and where that benefit you? Tell me now. If you sit down and video somebody who feel pain, somebody who broke up, somebody who dead, somebody who in a state of shock, somebody who need help, you have video them, then I will help you do. If you put it on internet, say you see one wicked accident, look how them people you look. Uno a corruption. Uno feel like me nothing with you. Uno a corruption. Uno fi change uno ways. That's why you see me love my fans them. And hear why me love them. You know them come like them addicted to my style. We name plain truth. We name talk about it. We name we know in no disrespect. We name we know in no foolishness. We name when we attack, we not care who are gonna like it. But we tell them the truth. My fans them loyal to the end. Because we say loyalty and respect goes a far way. You hear that? Loyalty and respect and manners. Them think they carry you far. Them say Ninja Man a real bad man. Them say Ninja Man are one of the most terriblest artists in the world. But guess what? You know a whole lot of people say they love Ninja Man? Why? Then try to make it look like me the worst demon where God ever make. True, me are the best artist God ever create. And them not realize that my name, Ninja, means sent by God. Go check the dictionary. Here? So somehow we are chatting like foolishness and attack some little thing. Make we look towards some brighter future now and do some things will elevate the nation. Yeah? Stop watch where Elephant Man wear. Stop watch where Ninja Man wear. Stop watch where Bounty Killer wear. Stop watch where Beanie Man wear. Stop watch where we do. And try live better. Because we never watch you know. We know say we never want to live no life with no watchman. So we never get no security job. Somehow no worse than Archive. Somehow no worse than King Alarm. Can no watch people more than the security them. You understand me? Who no wicked than FBI. Because who no trail the artists them. And then we find out everything where them do, everything where them wear, everywhere them sleep, all in them house, no gone in them life, in them business. How no so fast? How no know say, when you no sit down and watch other people's business, feel no spoil. Because somehow we get up, When get up on the internet and you say, oh, we are tuning into what go on last night. Whoa, look what Ninja Man have on. Jesus Christ, boy, he look like a them real gal. He look like a Battyman. He look like a go-go. Guess what now? You know Ninja Man out the road that do something to make film life better. You know, say when him out the road there, so, and you see him a perform, him not perform to make your life better, you know. Him a perform to make film life better. Him a perform to make people see that there's still a DJ that they can look up to and respect, named Ninja Man. Him a perform to make younger youths who in the industry can tell themselves that Jesus Christ would have like to live and have the length of time when Ninja Man have in a dance hall. Me band can see him, and me there, me never know me how turn DJ, and me see them man they turn DJ and make it in a DJ, and me turn DJ, and me still there with him. Everywhere we go, him a lock down the place same way. You know, say Ninja Man and him go out there for help other DJ for rise. I gonna give you no joke. I see the other day when them say I done with competition. I lock up them something there. But when them call me the other day and say, all right, God, and I want you to come test Merciless to me because him get bad. And when Gaddafi say me for give him a run, me say, all right, Gaddafi, I go and try with him. And Gary Exodus come for me and say, all right, well, test him. The only thing when me vex for, the crowd was not there. But when I test Merciless and see where Merciless get to now, all I want him to do is keep up this business. Because all I there for now is to rise the artists them where people less care about. Because me remember when they used to say me a cokehead and me a crackhead and me done and me can't come back. And all kind of something then call me coke gargan. Me say listen, I now go throw down a DJ. I hear them a call Merciless all kind of name. And I say listen this. I go and test me youth. And when I test him and when the man start perform, and me test him in everywhere. Because first thing, me make sure say, me do interview side of him, intimidate him, force him to go out there, go build lyrics, to come test me. Me not build no lyrics to test him, me just go out there go tease him. And when me go out there and me tease him, if crowd was there, me have to turn on the gun them to make to save my life, because the man a shoot like 10 somebody. You understand? These are the things that in our industry I do. I build back the artists, them on no claim say, nah, go nowhere. You think me have time to sit down and watch, you know? See me take up back Kip Rich and me and him start part, Gally Day Bunks, wreck that. Leave that. Day than him last night, me and him there Mountain View. You understand? So me is a man where we are doing now have to elevate the nation and teach the nation. Bring the youth them back to civilization. Bring them back towards music and entertainment. Because enough artists where you see out there going them bad now. They're not bad like Merciless. But in life, every man have a little downfall. But then say 7 times rise and 7 times fall. Me not in a that. Me not 7 times rise and 77 times rise again, and 77 times rise. Me no fall, because me no tree. So right now, we there to rise the nation. We there to uplift the nation. We there to greet the nation and meet the nation and teach the nation. Not foolishness, but straightforward, left from corruption. You understand me? So right now, me say want someone to start with the things them where we are deal with. We're not supposed to deal with. And stop dealing with some things that don't make sense. Because all we want to do are foolishness. When you come on the internet, when you come and talk about who I do this and who not do that. We don't think about what we want to do. Something positive. Use the internet to make money. Use the internet for... This internet can make you be a millionaire, you know. Because I'll tell you something, you know. All them attack and some people hear me say Omari are going. Omari is one of the biggest stars on the internet. Because if she make her get her own channel and start a little soap opera, she would have sell hot like hot bread. But I don't know why she don't step towards that. By just on the internet free, make some money out of this thing. Gully Bop, do the same thing. L.A. Lewis do the same thing. Some people no must have to be no entertainer by DJing lyrics on stage, but you entertain people in a different way. If them come together, Gully Bop, L.A. Lewis, Omari, and Tina Chin, and them write a nice little soap opera. Because me I tell you something. Me that watch Omari from now with her foolishness, only when she could go too slack. But all when she a cry over Gully Bop and then something, them say this a girl a real movie star. Not even days of her life, no sweet so. You understand me? Some want to do something where make sense, where make money, where positive. Too much I use the internet just for the foolishness. Criticism, no make you be no better off in life. Yeah? You get up every day and a chat people and a criticize people. It nah put on nowhere. Because all you know a chat. You see people when me call a little while. Them no reach how we reach in life. And them better off down, you know. Me not tell you that, you know. Because at least them a try use the internet to be a star. And it work. Because me see how much views Omari have. You understand? Me see how much fan base up there safe. Because when they don't see her, they all miss her. Because me as a man, me know what phone is. But sometimes me have to watch her and laugh. So anytime a man make me laugh or anyone make me laugh, because I'm not too keen teeth, you know. You understand me? That means that them is a full-fledged entertainer. So if they don't go just do the thing and do it on a positive level, then we make a positive money out of life and have something out of life. And that we are dealing with now. Something to make your reach this part. People can't look upon you like you're an idiot. You understand me? So you want me, no man. Me I want you know from now. Don't make that area catch you now watch people slippers. Watch people shoes, watch people pants, watch people things where them wear. Because, let me tell you something. Some of you not know nothing to wear, make no chat. Some of you people who get up and talking about where him have on at this and where him have on at that. When you see the rap artists them put on anything, you run go wear it. But when you see Jamaican artists put on anything, you criticize it. You are the one where sell out reggae music and sell out dancehall music and sell out on your own self. Because first to comment, you not try adapt from your own. We are some youth where we believe in a tradition, we believe in a original life. And right now, see it? We are go back to traditional things. When before we born, you never have no shoes, boy. Before we born, slippers and slanders man used to wear. So we decided, I want to we are go back on slippers and slanders. You understand me? And we now go back in another thing where people can just jump up and go in a store, go see and buy. You feel like I saw it go? Then you'll make me look like me have 20 out the road. Go from here, man, if you don't see me thing along after. Yeah? When Puma come out with the tighten up him sneakers, and me come out with it, and me go and come out. And go and boom and turn up my thing and tighten it. You never have no problem with it. When you see me come out with my Clarks them, you never have no problem with it. But me want to tell you something about shoes. You know, so your foot need to get ear. So all them time when you get up 24, 7, 48, 14 and have on the shoes over on your foot. You know, so you're not stifle on yourself. Eh? Your pores need to get ear. That's why God built you so. You never know that. You not run off on your mouth and not chat. Be a foolishness in a people man sight in a sight. Man sight like man an idiot. Let me tell you this is say I want a real bad man this attack. And my badness enough to go bust gun in a people face. My badness have to defend what is really mine and to deal with minds. Yeah? So right now I don't want to sit down and I come chat anything go on the mouth when I see artists. And where artists are weird. Yeah? Because if you could afford it, you would not wear it. And when you see the rest of rap artists, them are wear nothing, you not say nothing about it. You not jump in at every one of them things. Stop criticize Jamaican artists, them. Yeah? That me I make you know. Because none of you can live like we. Anyway, me I tell you say, my fans them, me love you. I'm a tough up. Me walk in my closet, make them see. Me show you something. Because I'm going to show you a chat about Ray. Yeah? Boom. Turn on my camera. Yeah? I'm short. I just am short assembly, you know. I be a short that, you know. Waist is space when we wear already, you know. And then I wash, you know. Here, you see them there? You see them there? You see them there? A beer clocks. Yeah? We're not talking about slippers. Let me go for one next gladiator. Because them don't know nothing, you know. You never see this yet, I can carry them out in the light. Because them have no problem. I'm showing you something. Because I want to do them. Them just wear some little thing where them feel like a summon thing. Yeah? Them one there? Look on this. You see this? See that slipper there? I'm going to show you how this put on. Because some boy are talking about slippers. Them one are not even wear yet, you know. Yeah? So you don't go and run off no more. Because I don't know about no say when them one come out. Yeah? Watch that. Tell me go stop. Show them how slippers wear. You see that? Me not even finish lace it up. When me done, I show you how I go stay. Here. And then yes, I go round my back. Here. You see? Show it how stay. And me, what do them fool ya? Them see slippers yet? You know what talk about slippers? Yeah? Other one you are mad them. That one ya. See it ya? And this a mad them. When you not rich, you not can't wear them there. Yeah? And me have more to go for too. Because I go on like you not rich. And you can't wear rich people things. You don't want rich. Don't go on like you're rich. Yeah? You see that one there now? Eh? You see it? All the mouth cut off and it look like, you see it? Desert. No idiot, fool, boss slipper. And let me tell you something. You don't want to see when me in my house now, see when me have on ya. Some boys start telling me, say, when me put on my little bunny slipper, them I walk through my house. You don't have no life? Eh? Let me go for more slippers. Oh, most of some passage land, some, stop chat here. You know don't rich. You know don't rich. Yeah? Alright. Yeah? It's a one. Then I shoot them when me wear, when I have to go back in my closet, because how me live. When me wear a set of shoes, them have to clean off, all the bottom of it have to clean off before it go back in my closet. Watch this, you see this? Watch me. You see this again? Eh? You no can't talk to me, brother. Yeah? Come in and wear regular things, brother. Yeah? Let me tell you that. So you wanna stop ramp up with me. Cause me's a real madman. And me think different. Sure, see that sir? Downstairs, me gone. Downstairs, me gone. Yeah? So I go idiot a chat. Don't ramp with me, you not live no life. Yeah? You see that sir? Downstairs this. Me no live down here sir. Down here sir, if you come at me yard and you want a place to stay, this is how me give you to stay. Yeah? This is how me give you to stay. Yeah? Me no sleep nowhere down here sir. Me no have no time for down here sir. Yeah? This is where you stay. Watch it. Are you bedded that you know? You hear? So me no want to go on like, let me tell you something, stop ramping me here. You can't live like me. Eh? You can't live like me. Look, See it there? None of them place I'm not stay. This is where me get people to stay. You want to come from foreign and you don't have nowhere to stay. You can just call Ninja Man. I'm give you a place to stay. Who welcome Jamaica people? Watch. See a bathroom there. See on a bathroom that stay when you come from foreign and come here and stay. Big idiot. Eh? Look. Here. Here. Everything up. Clean like a whistle on clean on my toilet. Look on my toilet, boy. Eh? Look here. Look on my face, base. Eh? Stop around for me now. Yeah? And I'll show you, say, if you want me thing nice, I borrow that house and they just lend me. Some people just say, Ninja Man, go and live in the house because you're rich. Watch me. I made this in the bathroom. Yeah? Some no want a man come ramp with me, you know. See? Because I show you the part of the house that I live in. Now when I come from upstairs up there, I live. Here? See? See it? Everything down here. See how my kitchen clean and pretty? Yeah? These are snacks. Where if you come on my place, you have snacks. Yeah? Yeah? Before you even can buy, see, you store everything up. Everything up. And this is not where I stay. This is not my part of the place. So listen, when you not talk, you must put yourself in a position to live the life then where next man will live happily, comfortable, and free. Because look how me nice. Me so nice that everything where me have, me just get it by God. Yeah? Someone wanna stop wrong with other people's business and think about phone own. Yeah? This is a room I'm not even going there. Oh, I have empty room like dirt in my house. Because I don't whole heap of place. Here? So, I want to leave people business alone and make phone business be phone one. And that we are telling you for 2017. Yeah? Light up my spliff now and, you know? Come on, a real bad man. Early in the morning. My fans them watch me passing. You know? Up and running. Big up all my fans them out there, you know, cause you have some little people not even know what time it is. But we can say real or real. You understand? Real or real. And that's why we are telling say we are uplift with country and we are build up with country. And we want to tell the people them say we don't need no guns anymore. We don't need nobody spread out on the floor. We don't need no mothers to cry. We don't need no fathers get gunshot and die. Too long we're living in violence and people, it's time for a change. Don't make the biggest mistake of your life. More you put down the guns and the knife. That's why me tell them, oh, Natty, wagwan. Yo, you not find Miss Baker for me yet, brother? No, I'm not see her. Alright, them say a man come check me the other day and say she live somewhere around there, so you know. Like she's a helper lady, you know. Yeah, man, I 2 phone me last and she find them for me, you know. And me have a piece of roast beer too, you know. You all of them, yeah? When you come take them out, wash them. And out the car, you see, in the light thing them here, so you aim the bat them, drop down in them. Someone them clean, take down and wash out. So they tell me which day you can come and put on one piece of food for you, don't? My youth, friend, you can't come here and know say I want to tell you, me not just left a place and you come did it, man. You hear that? Because I don't know a new year and the whole of my bulb them to clean out and me have some next bulb where I want to change. Alright, now say nothing, up and running. Here. Alright, me done. Yeah. Up there. Yeah, my fans them. You know, so we have a reason more time in the early morning. Give me the weed with the maca where you juke me na me throat, cause me nah go burn them dirty coke. Who's gonna be my sponsor? Help me smoke the weed, me nah go smoke them coke, yeah. Or do them feel like we live them life again. Some people, if you know, so we fans them face a lot of embarrassment and a lot of things. No much I wanna chat some things and my fans them shame. No, my fans them are the proudest thing in our world. Eh? I wanna feel like I want to know. Time for my fans them up. And me I tell my fans them something, tell you something. I wait to believe in a God and believe in a love. All them are sitting here we come from above. That me I tell you, you know. Because me did I warn them. Them go like them no hear them. Warn them, warn me if you fear them. Go ask Bunty Killer, go ask scare them. Hey. Me tell on a long run short cage. The pussy where fi kill me no ban yet. Left boy body lead down in a dark maze. Bright light and miss a madden jawless. And up in them minute one again. As me say before me I go murder about 10 of them. Friendship a hypocrite so me no keep friend again. So me I go send for the little young queen of them. Bamba all way and your man da jella. Send for the browning fi murder the fella. Black rain a fall hard from the askella. No rain cloak can help you neither umbrella. No father, no nephew, no uncle, no brother. Me send for the clans them from over. Hey, let me tell you something. A murder and badness we are dealing. Murder and badness. No one finish it. Me send for the clans them from over the latter spend rights. Everything from under the cellar common sense with the sitting them we go knocka. Go ask Super Cat why you never tell Shabba. The one Josie will played out like a bang about at party blabber in my blabber a la pint or Teflon. Which one you ready? How I take this brother? Me tell them me say long run short cage. The boy if he kill me no ban yet. Left boy body lead down in a dark maze. Can't even draw breath. And when me tell them long run short cage. The pussy if he kill me no ban yet. Left boy body lead down in a dark maze. Can't even draw breath. Some little lorry come up idiot. Run come in a tree black then I run to the meter. Knock it. Put 6 in a them leader. No understand the war. Check the encyclopedia. No know Premier League nor Bundesliga. I tell me about you cold your cup a second from my freezer. Under the heat by the war getting sweeter and sweeter. Under the heat by the war getting sweeter and sweeter. Hey. Me did I want them. Them go like them no hear them. Want them, want me if fear them. Go ask Bunty Killer, go ask scare them. Hey. Me no fear no one, me no fear no man. Me no fear that one, me no fear no man. Me no afraid of one, me no afraid no man. So bring it on when you're ready, Mr. Man. Cause I'm the Dan. I am the dance of dance. Original Dan gone. What them feel like? I we say early morning. I we say up with fans them. I we say rise. And let me tell you something. We love a pretty girl them. So you see in the morning, yeah? We could give girl them some tune. And that one you say. From the pretty to the pretty, yes. Nothing you can trick me with no prettiness. You think you're clever, don't handsome, but me ugly, yes. Girl line up with the loving and the tenderness. Oh, yes. From the pretty to the pretty, yes. Nothing you can trick me with no prettiness. You think you're clever, don't handsome, but me ugly, yes. Girl line up with the loving and the tenderness. Oh, yes. Then send me ugly booty girl, then want me, them all on a draw me. The whole of them a give me the nanny. Then no see no other man where you taught me. No bounty, no beanie, no sizzler, no Tommy. But why the girl am rush? Me no know what can say. So much of them me have to give way some to me charge. Me tell Rihanna when me tell Nicki Minaj. Me touch a girl them one come in no do orgy. Go tell them from the pretty to the pretty. pretty, yes. Who nothing you can check me with no prettiness. You think you're clever, don't some but me ugly, yes. Y'all line up with the loving and the tenderness. Oh yes, I'm from the pretty to the pretty, yes. Who nothing you can check me with no prettiness. You think you're clever, don't some but me ugly, yes. Y'all line up with the loving and the tenderness. Oh yes, well at the hinting, no need no clue nor hinting. The gal them a war for me sinting, then call me the pimp king. I am the let me tell you something. How we killing her with tune, you know? How we killing her with tune? Cause when it come to tune, me say, she's from uptown, but she don't want no clown. She want a piece of me gangster love. Me get introduced to the parents, them a frown. She want a talk, she want ninja love. And no matter how the parents talk, I criticize and I pass them remarks. And she no matter about me fault, me a sticky like a dart. Daddy vex when me lock down her heart. Can't believe a talk like me, I'm son-in-law. Ugly boy like a me a walkie pretty daughter. The way daddy vex all him gun him draw. Him not call the law. Who him say me tamper with him investment, and a boy like me too indecent. Cause she pretty and she brown and she well decent. Ninja man make she change recent. Again, she's from uptown but she don't want no clown. So she want a piece of the gangster love. Me get introduced to the parents, them a frown. So she want a talk, she want ninja love. And no matter how the parents talk, I criticize and I pass them remarks. And she no matter about me fault, me just to kill like a dog. Daddy vex when me lock down her heart. And the bad man flex a brown in your like. Real gangster, she no want the freaky type. It's a surprise when you see all the spliffs she like. Cause she tired of the boring life. The daddy nearly faint when me take her a water house. Run a juice and in a command when me start a road. The valley garden me take her run out a south. And them gangster flex that she talk about. Because she's from uptown but she don't want no clown. Real bad girl no want no clown. But when you see where a girl will move like clown, you will tell them say, girl who the landlord rent and a hide. Every night she a come in a different ride. Coats come for the furniture inside, and she a say she no take man when no drive. Girl jump and say, Ray, the landlord no want you go away. You take out to work every day, so you can't in a bankruptcy. Oh, some girl a live while, can't stay one place a night. Take too much man we so hype, and still a live be a dirty life. Question, girl, if a Benz man you have, you can't pay your rent. How you manage keep apartment? Front seat right can't pay the bills them. Your man a flaw so you should know what sent. Girl pitch out a road like a soldier tent in a M3. Bima and own of rent. Deer and bag falls here at belt and the liquor picking in a the worst state of health. Landlord change all the lock on the door. Eviction notice dip on the floor, girl. Since you don't take man we too poor, support your life some more and jump and say we. The landlord no want you go away. You take out to work every day, so you can't in a bankruptcy. Oh, some gal a live wild, can't stay one place a night. Take too much man we so hype, and still a live be a dirty life. Watch this, gal can't find lunch money, but she want go a dance at night time for jump and prance. She want her man and she can't help the man buy the smallest thing the bike want. But yeah, some gal want go to the restaurant and can't cook the food where the man a yard want. All she know about a pancake and croissant, rice and peas too much for your gal it no look good. You're frightened for answer your phone cause your life it no stay good. You owe the whole world and I run down the world. You no carpenter, you better loud. Pay your bills them. A 6 month no one the landlord sees all your things them. Girl you say your man a flosser. Oh you no have lunch money for your 2 little kids them. Girl say Ray, the landlord no want you go away. You take out to work every day. Let me tell you something. Are we killing or we tune, you know? Cause some boy are going like them bad, you know. And when them come out and say, these words from off my tongue make some DJ start run. These words from off my tongue make some artists start run. So, no give me no tap, just give me the class and make me lucky down. Sizzler, Beanie, Diddy, Gully, Gaza, any one of my son. The ninja bullet we bust up any cranium. I'm marinate tomorrow like you drink no ranium. Remember 1998 we gonna say the yum. A 3 of them me make a try go look somewhere for run. That are the past, but no one new millennium. Me yes enough for them a who up and a pray me done. I criticize me young, I say me go on like say me young. Then want me bad to want me bad, no girl no give me bun. All when she hear brand next DJ girl give me some. If me no have me condom, me I go turn it down. White clip love fi clash, you no send him come. And some little rapper boy we sell platinum. The album Ninja ready fi go dropping on. Envious and bad mind, I go drop a gun. Teach them how it's done. Teach them how it's done. Kill them with me lyrics and me not fi use no gun. Teach them how it's done. Teach them how it's done. Ninja man naga gun me ya wanna that tell them serious like a judge. This is not a game. They tell little DJs if they stay in a them lane like a two takes on me make some boy feel pain. Rebellious and me that them idiot are lame. 2 to 4, 8, then 16 track, 24 Pro Tools and me still a lock. That me and no PC. Me brain upgrade to a Mac and me bad from the days of where it's at. Be the meter malfunction. Me no know when me clap. This is the rebirth, the after party and the aftermath. This is the ninja ready to go launch and attack on the fact. Say me yet no need no glasses for that. So these words come off my tongue. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. I'm equipped and I'm ready. You understand me? For entertain people at dance hall. So some boy will come and go on like them bad. You see that tune when me enjoy you know? Me just done it the other day with Calypso Scenery. A reggae band. With them and the Maroon 5 par. I can tell you this. This song I know say. Me left from dreams to riches, rocks to riches, kettle to ladies, friends to stitches. Money change the situation, so then start to act like we good friends and fool, good girls and oh. Excuse them, me caught me do them. Can't say me not have no flow. Can't take me flip up a show from bicycle to bike to car, from cheaper ends to own the bar, from manicure and pedicure and facial feet. Take out me scare. Take the yam to jam, rolling jam, man, me never lose no war. Moral of the story, dream big, read for the stars. So money make them penny me. It bring an enemy. So careful who you make pour your energy. Your money bring friend break, friend drain your energy. If you not careful, then we find you in a cemetery. Money make them penny me. It bring an enemy. So careful who you make pour your energy. Your money bring friend break, friend drain your energy. If you not careful, then we find you in a cemetery. Money bring respect. Make y'all take set to stop the bet. More than 100. Y'all get check it. Buy the Benz. Sign the check. Pop it off and gal get wet. Even pretty gal me get. Who never did want me leg can shed. Who did set then lose them bet. Me ball money can't change me. Me swear me want them here. Them now go stop me feed this year. They clear man. Sure man. One bank money and get interest. One stocks and bonds and invest. Me no brag and me no boast. It's natural feed the ninja impress. Money make them penny me. It bring an enemy. I wanna feel like. And me say lyrics. And me say make it good. Alright. Hear that song you know with style and flow. He say, none of them no bad like ninja. None of them no wicked like me. When them a go with them shaky trigger finger, them can't point none as up on me. Them young bird and no storm. So when me choke on, tell a fool prolong. Some little fussy way I take program. Can't do me no harm. When me kill me no wrong. Should they never see me for so long? Then think me show the tongue willing, then think say me gone. Me nah retire, me a no Hulk Hogan. If you think me slow down, lick a fool you so wrong. Because me analyze the war and she say, them no want me in there. Cause if me ever in there, crocodile and fish swim me. All them skull thing there. When me rise the thing there, and when me boss it in there, tell me say the head no spin way. The liquor jada fast, and every relax me trim way. Then say then I no art, that me no love no in there. I am the poison dart. Go tell the funky king there, and when the war start, just set the ring me in there. None of them no bad like ninja. None of them no wicked like me. When them a go with them shaky trigger finger, them can't point no nose up on me. None of them no bad like ninja, no. None of them no wicked like me. When them a go with them shaky trigger finger, them can't point no nose up on me. Me God, you know. The Almighty and me God, you know. Some no fear fool nor fraud, you know. I'm not give up, do it, me a do it in the hard, you know. War when me love, me no laugh, you know. Now the war is on, none of them can keep me calm. All when they send for Babylon, they say me now go on. I street me born, so bring it on. Guns and ammunition with me have enough. Everything alright, so me say the word. And me give them a surprise on the 23rd. Should I hear them a scream like some little girl? Happy hear my rough fly like them a bird. Juvenile, stop your knives, no get on me nerves. Cause you coming like a baby to one nanny nurse. Watch your dopey butterfly when your skull a burst. I feel a real arrangement, go call here, so watch this. None of them not bad like ninja. Let me tell you that. Yeah? And the reason why I tell you that they're not bad like ninja, you know why? You're never born for bad, so why you're bad for that? I would tell you, sure. You're never born for bad, so why you're bad for them? I would watch it, you say you're bad, not really matter them because you only talk the talk that's like the rap for them. And when the time for walk the walk, you're bad, the lack of oxygen fool. Badness and no gaming on a referee. No carry time out, so no ball for free. The liar don't come court, come work for free. So if you not no fee, boy, do not bad the plea. Badness and no gaming on a referee. No carry time out, so no ball for free. The dead no come back from the cemetery. You have to born for this, can't be no wanna be. So live your little life like it's a souvenir. No imitate the guys them in the movie here. Them just you up like a balloon and now you're losing here. You're in a hurry, go hell, the devil will be there. Fool! Watch your little life and like say you no care. Jungle just the same way young you like a chandelier. All the cops and we give you a bango for wear. And not this no fear. So let me tell you this. Badness and no gaming on a referee. No carry time out, so no ball for free. The liar don't come court, come work for free. So if you have no fee, boy, do not bother plea. Badness and no gaming on a referee. No carry time out, so no ball for free. The dead no come back from the cemetery. You have to born for this jump. So let me tell you this. Badness is a risk. Finger upon the trigger and you pull it and you miss it. Never firm in your fist. You mash up all your wrists. Get wanted on the list. Your mother and your father, everybody you are this. Wanna be extortionist, wanna live big. And I kicks it up your teeth like it's a regular laser. But you are comping me food and you're no business. But it better you cool your fool cause. Badness and no gaming on no referee. Me I show no style. Me I show no lyrics. Me I show no versatility. Yeah, some man nowadays, them are DJing them. Dang, 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 one bag of long lyrics down, so no melody, no style, no groove, no nothing. Hear that tune you know. Them in a badness and no know about it. No going on nothing where you know you don't fit. Give away your life cause you're not sure about it. It dark, it dark, it dark. Them in a badness and no know about it. No going on nothing where you know you don't fit. Give away your life cause you're not sure about it. It dark, it dark, it dark. Dopey butterfly like a butterfly. Nuzzling up your summer row in the sky. Black on the ground like a piece of fly. The word dark in a boy, dark. You know no defense then, no offend them. Trouble make a look with trouble offend them. Mr. Babylon and somewhere fi send them. Somewhere dark in a boy. So no give them no talk, it a go dark. And no dog when they sit in a back. The featherless eagle, it a no hawk. The sky dark when they sit in a cloth. No give them no talk, it a go dark. And no dog when they sit in a back. The featherless eagle, it a no hawk. And let me tell you something. Go tell any Mr. Dan, any Mr. Gang. Never do the wrong, never do the wrong. For you make your decision, them your Babylon, we put one in your head, you're dead. You are talking about your road east, west, north and south. Little youth, what you talking about? You are suffer and you deep in a drought. Better you cool or shut your mouth. So listen this. Them in a badness and don't know about it, you know your style, you know your pattern, you know your lyrics. I saw tune for make. Here, some man really like a fool flow and something there. A joking thing. And when them think they are kill out music. You hear that? So let me tell you this. Look how me look. Me are 51 now, you know. Me younger than some boy, we are 19. And you know why? True God bless me. And with all of what them I say and what them I do. Anytime they see me, one thing they can say. Ninja, you're young again. Get your fresh again. Had the best of them. So you pressure them. No more penitent. No more tenement. No more stress again. So you pressure them. Then lose the bet again. Go tell them set again. Then send me cool code. Tell them to check again. You know me bad already. Them no want me bad again. I know me yet again. So me a pepper them. Ninja man the bread breaker. A.K.A. caretaker. I am the newsmaker. Oh, say no read paper. But no corruption to ashes. Just straight vapor. No me no like faker, neither instigator. Them waste to be life and send you to the undertaker. Tell the producer them for bossy youth where them a wait for. Give them opportunity. No wait for later. Cause everybody knows the later will be greater. Them say ninja, you're young again. Yet you're fresh again. Had the best of them. So you for pressure them. No more penitent. No more tenement. No more stress again. So you for pressure them. Then lose the bet again. Go tell them set again. Then send me cool out. Tell them to check again. You know me bad already. Then no want me bad again. I know me yet again. So me a pepper them. You no check on Google and see the wars I fight. If you don't have data service, then try Wi-Fi. How much big show me lock down with an highlight. Check YouTube and Facebook, them not tell lie. But the bees over, sing so all the watch them die. I'm a rise like a son, no care what them try. I'm a put down the gun now, hand me a mic. And see what the ninja is like. When me tell them, say ninja, you're young again. Yes, you're fresh again. And the best of them, so you for pressure them. No more penitent, no more tenement, no more stress again. So you pressure them, then lose a bet again. Go tell them set again, then say me walk out. Tell them to check again. You know me bad already, them don't want me bad again. I know me yet again, so me a pepper them. When me a score goal, me not see no goalkeeper. Me a gargan for the street sweeper. Me no win a cup made in China cheap sneaker. A straight original pan them 2 feet, yeah. The girl them whether a pre-me, know them a pre-me deeper. Go spin poke you dimple, now the knees weaker. Some boy with bad mind, me yaks with them a do it for. The yard to the buckle, the picture sweeter. Ninja, you're young again. How what do them, man? How what do them? How what do them? They don't know me. Me are the modern bad man. When they talk about badness, me are the modern bad man. Then say greatness, and me are the modern great man. All greatness come through me. Then say them bad from which part? About then say them bad. Well, if them bad, what am I going to do? Who know? Watch it when me set an example then. Step in on my size 10, go trample them. At 10 of them, me a murder from 1 to 10. You're not going to know the head different from the ankle them. Back 'em, come out and me rifle them. Blood a cuggle in a throat and a stifle them. Cap and no sorry for boy when it a poison them. Nothing forensic, no likes of them. Move cause. Bullet a travel from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a travel from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a travel from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Yam gravel boy. Listen. Bullet a travel from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a travel from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a travel from me Naza boy and yam gravel boy. Then one boom that might have blood that run through the city. Me no sorry for boy now show no pity. Murder informer, instigator and lippy. The way me deal with crime scene and not pretty. Bloody as of flesh, this or what a calamity. Somebody see me, oh say so Mr. Lippy. So me shell it for and tell it. Leave the scene in a jippy. Move! Bullet a trouble from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a trouble from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a trouble from me Naza boy and yam gravel boy. Again, bullet a trouble from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a trouble from me Naza boy and yam gravel. Bullet a trouble from me Naza boy and yam gravel boy. Listen, when me kill me not do it in a mass. Think you safe through the jeep them a pass. Rest me Naza upon the wall on the loft. Chop them like grass and escape to the bypass. Them love badness, no know what it cost. Say them a bad man, show them in a dark class. Intimidate everything we walk past. Say them head gone and them heart lost. But bullet a trouble from me, bullet a trouble from me, bullet a trouble from me. Naza, let me tell you something. I no playtime thing, you know. So when them feel like them bad, them better quiet, you know. Here. Them better quiet. Cause we say man head tremble like you gonna scatter brains like marble, bembe a bus go on your yard, bad man. You understand? From me born till now, the one a split me alive. Pull me one again, sure, let me tell you something. So I like to again here, sir. You hear me tell you there? From me born till now, me one a split me alive. Pull me one again, this time me one a red stripe. No boy can't tell me say me ground like pipe, straight like the bamboo we make the kite. Me and my friend, them are the gangster, we are the rude boy type. We no beg people split, we no beg people light. We no carbon bad boy, we no bad overnight. We no soft like banana, we ripe. So tell a boy, go away with them guinea, we no taste and buy. A licky mouth, we get Spanish fly. Soup is a cook, me nah go get tight. When me take time satisfy. Well, me no yam Julie, neither East Indian chocha, no inna me soup, neither zoom zoom yam, me no yam tin boom, nor it up me red can. From me red devin, me not a fan. Watch ya. Me not drink no water from Catherine Peak. Who this restaurant ninja man nah go eat. See to me tell you something, say man. If I tell no tune, me start tune this morning, we nah go done it, you know. And me see all me see them a go and run off them mouth. You see much hear me there. Eh? Me go tell you something. The Gorgons stand up and I watch them fall. Talk about a them run the old dance hall. Me a DJ from before them a crawl. Man a old veteran, enough of them a old czar. Real bad men stand up and I watch them pre. So me see clear a bad men wanna be. Come a talk tough but me kill boy free. Whether in a clocks or desert wallaby. Real. None of them fool that they no bad like a me. Both of them a run the place. But they no bad like a me, no. None of them fool that they no bad like a me. So me step it on a level to the highest degree, boy. None of them fool that they no bad like a me. Both of them a run the place. But them no bad like a me, no. None of them fool that them no bad like a me. So me step it on a level to what out. Watch it. This are the real big man with the naka ya me kick out teeth and tongue and make them kata ya this and no cheng chang chong with the chapa ya this are the real dan come you fi tata ya. I'm tell you something. Piece of 2x4 some of the bata ya about your love talk you should not chata ya try fi bend and rule but you a shata boy go cool and quat and go sata none of them fool that they know but I'm tell you something boy mind your talk me no take no talk man a real gorilla whip up out your heart one shot in your knee and you let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. See, I mean it's a lyrics, you know. I mean it's a lyrics. And the way me bad. Me not even business about tune. Cause God create me to do this. And it's true God create me to do this. No boy can't do this like me. My real fans them out there, the real well-wishers them out there. All who love me and check for me, who hate me and who fight me. Who love me. Yeah, man. Me I tell you this. But my fans them blouse and skirt. I have a very important topic for it too. Because from where the one little thing I go on in the music industry. I'm get to find out say certain thing not right. And that thing when me I talk about now, me I talk to my little brother. And when me say this, I say this from my heart. Because I want Shabba ranking. Shabba ranking. Shabba ranking. Yeah? Ninja man. Little brother. Ninja man. Little brother. You me say again though. Ninja man. Little brother. Shabba ranking. Let me tell you this, youth. Man, love your youth. And let me tell you this, youth. You looking at my face. Man, all of your fans, them watch this. I want them looking at my face. Man, all I well-wishers, them watch this and looking at my face. Me a talk to you. Now, Shabba ranking, I'm a little brother. Me love you like how Jesus love little children. Me love you more than life. Me different Shabba ranking all and me gonna fire back way. That means that me will shoot myself for save Shabba. Want you know this and know this from me heart, youth. Stop feel like ninja man. Have nothing against you. Stop feel like ninja man. Hate you. Stop tell yourself ninja man wine and no vibes with you. Want you start tell yourself say ninja man is a man who miss you as in little brother. Because if you step back into the business and me and you stand up and I show the younger youth them how love and unity go in a dance hall. Like when me and you used to par. When me come meet you round the back of my road. You understand? Me I sit down on my bottom on my patio in my house and tell you this. Remember Shabba ranking when me used to walk and thief hockey and walk and pick up buckle. Walk through the whole of Riverton Gully. Walk through Sea View and catch crab. You hear? Me remember them days there. You hear? Me remember when Towile and Mall Road was a borderline when no man can come cross from over Towile come over Mall Road. And no man can come from Mall Road come at Towile. Shabba Rankin, if you know, say, after election when the little son will start play around near Roots Melody, start play around at the back part of Mall Road, around by Hill Avenue. At the furthest that you could have come because that was the edge of Towile. You understand me? And when me come around, they come buck your Shabba Rankin. Me say, right now, me and you are par. The same night me buck you, the same night we build up a brother relationship. Two little brother. And me decide, say, me up the road. And me name Double Ugly Man and JJ and Duppy Dust and Cootan. Me a real bad man. You was not real bad man no way. Kiba was the bad man. You was the youth where I stepping at the thing. And when me see her coming at the thing, me look upon you and say, Shabba, let me tell you this. You see me? Me not encourage you to bust no gunshot. Me not encourage you to turn no rape and no gunman and no murderer. You see talent where you have youth, don't come on my road. You understand me? And when me see say you are forced to go in a badness, you know what me do? Me go to Kilimanjaro, because when Kilimanjaro come find out me I'm a bad DJ over Catburn Pen. Kilimanjaro start search me. At night time, me was the first DJ, where young DJ, where they pan Kilimanjaro, where Jaro put him under a card. Him no make me drive pan the sound truck, no time at all, because me little and bad. And he no want me go pan the truck and carry no weapon pan me. So he search me and put me in a car. When me go to Booms and go Kilimanjaro, and when me go and say, you want no, me find one DJ no Jaro. We bad like me, no. Hear that? And Jaro say, you hear me? I don't think I need no more DJ right now, me say, Papa Jaro. That DJ, I bring a difference to dancehall. You understand me? And when me talk to Jaro and Jaro say, all right, bring him come. And me come for you and say, Shabba Rankin. Me go carry you go to Kilimanjaro. You never believe, you know? And me take you up with my good heart and my good mind. And me care go Kilimanjaro. And take it forward from Kilimanjaro, me never front. Me never hold mic on yet at Kilimanjaro. Anytime we run that Jaro sound, you hear them say big nasty mouth Shabba and Dirty Ninja. And the whole place mash up. Every stage show a Shabba Rankin and Ninja man. And we take up from Kilimanjaro and take the road straight. We never ever have no vibes. Brother, you have to stop feel like I hurt you. At the management team where you have run you and Supreme Promotion hurt you because this is a competition where me know Shabba Rankin. Shabba Rankin are the baddest girl DJ in the world. You understand me? You take care of the woman them, me deal with the garrison people them. So to we are two different DJ. Me is a warrior upon battlefield. He is a man to make the woman then jump and scream. When you sign with CBS and then say to you, say, you want Clash Ninja man, you know Shabba Rankin say, you're not bad like me in a war. What right are you for take me then take you make it? When you're an artist and you sign to any company, you have the right to defend yourself. You have the right to tell them, say, me not go another clash, you know. You get up and you talk every day, say, boy, Ninja man never like your success and way. Shabba Rankin, me can't tell you this, and this is a way you know for a long time. You never... Yes, Ella. Yeah, me that like go feet now, you know. Yeah. Me never ever a fight your thing. You understand me? Me never ever try to hold on your thing. Me keep your thing up. Then you go so boom, you get your sign. When you get sign, you have your rights. You look upon the people and say, listen, me name Shabba Rankin. Me nah clash with Ninja man. Nobody can force you to clash with Ninja man. You understand me? You have your right to do what you're supposed to do. Whatsoever is not in your contract, you're not supposed to do it. So how now you know? Make the management team and the people around you decide to clash me. Remember, you know, brother, when the clash for go on, you know, me never interested in a no clash. Me never want clash Shabba Rankin. Me never want kill Shabba Rankin. Me never in a nothing. Yeah? Because guess what? Me can't love a youth like myself and want to hurt him. Me switch prior reach and me glad to reach because I tell myself say from Shabba get that move here, he might go open way for other artists because just like how me open way for other artists, me open way for you, me never fight cabra them, every one of them bounty killer them, everybody me strengthen. Me I look for that same strength there from you. You understand me? Well, it happened that you take the competition. Yeah? You take this competition. When we come out on stage and me first come on the stage, you know what he say? Me never ever go up on the stage and say, Shabba ranking bow, Shabba ranking this, Shabba ranking that. Me go up on the stage and me say, war, send them out. Me never call your name. You understand? You understand? Because my intention was, when you come out, and Ray, me I say, me tell you this, and me and Shabba run this, and the warrior now go on. Yeah, me neither plan for come war it out, me the plan for done it right there, so. You see when you run out Shabba, and you jump on the stage and say, ninja bow, ninja bow, ninja bow. When me if you do them time there, Shabba, when me if you do, tell me the truth. What should I have done when you turn to the crowd and say ninja bow? If you say ninja bow, me have to answer. Me have to respond. No. So there's no way, good morning, Dada. There's no way me are gonna make you come out and say ninja bow and me not defend it. Me all look like idiot, brother. So right there, so you start the competition. You understand me? So there's no way you feel blame me until today, dear. And I say me do this and me do that. Me never do you nothing. And you have a thing where you tell people say, me say all is mine. Or me if you say all is mine. All of where my one of me and the people them direct me no elder. You understand? Me no know nothing about all is mine because all is mine can't work because there was artists before me. And artists will come after me and the artists gonna be there with me. So there's no way me if you say all is mine. Me and no God. A God alone say all is mine. But when we really are dealing with you upon right now, you need to make we just join back the unity here, build back the banner, and Lego them whole time sitting there, because them whole time something the way I go on. Now put neither me nor you nowhere, and it now make the music fraternity go reach nowhere. Right. You understand? The music fraternity will not reach nowhere where Ninja Man and Shabba ranking is a total enemy. You understand? It not going to work. You understand? It will not work, Shabba. And if we unite the thing, the youths them will do better. You understand? Because yes, Ella. If me and you are the head of the stream right now, and we not talk to each other, how you expect Bunty and Beanie to unite as the two second head of the stream? Tell me how you expect that to go on. It cannot go on because the youth them not see no love from the elders them. So them not go have no love for them one another. So we are the one who have to show love now. If we come back and unite in a dance hall, remember me tell you Shabba ranking, dance hall will be a different place. Different place. Because you can imagine a dance right now. Ninja Man and Shabba ranking unite and I work together. Even if you put on a show, I will come work free, me and your park. I mean, I come for say, way. Me I come for build back the love and the unity of dance hall. You understand? Me I come for build back the fellowship and the strength where me know dance hall fi have. Me I come for build back what dance hall really stand for. Me not come for the glory and the money of dance hall. Because Shabba, me and you can't get no more out of dance hall. You are the emperor for dance hall. Me are the gargan for dance hall. I don't care what them give to it. They can't more than that. Yeah. You understand? So, you have to just know, say, are we that, brother? And we have to let go the foolishness, brother. You understand? So, make we lift up the thing and hold up the thing, brother. And unite the thing, brother. Good morning, mommy.
You know how long me I walk and look for you?
I know me hear about you, mommy.
I call my trip around the yard.
I saw me. Thank you very much, mommy.
Are you sir?
You know, say, two of them last door.
two of them drop
same place down there.
I want him, I will find it.
Yeah, thank you. I have to go do nothing, but I don't know nothing to go now. Yeah, but
I will find it, man. But
just,
we don't know about two or one. Where
the
next one stay?
One grey, one grey back panny.
Where back stay?
The back grey. I want to have something on phone like this. But it's the back grey. I two of them, man. I lost an iPhone and I lost the
So I see them place your losses.
Yeah, two of them supposed to job same place.
Look, same place. Very quick for you.
But in a corner.
No. You can't look back, go back. This house was it over in a bush.
You can't search for them on a bush then.
Good God, if you don't find it, cause me have got to line up something for you, yeah, father.
Yeah, man, I want to find, man.
Right. No, man, cause if you find two of them, you would have tell me, cause me never, nobody, number one, from the phone start ring, and me find out that somebody answer it. Me find say phone keep on ringing. Yeah, cause the wickedest thing, you know, the wickedest thing happened to me, you know. The phone, and me first start call the phone, you know. No, and you answer everybody else and don't answer me.
No, when you get it at 5 missed call up on the phone.
All of them call it, I must me a call.
And then, no, one of them was a US number come up.
I'm a wife that.
I'm a answer, she.
And the wickedest thing now, when she get for find out that you have the phone, me not have no phone. And when me get a phone for use, me already buy this.
I give her my number.
The reason why me end up buy this that she lost your number.
Oh, can we give her the number and tell her Happy New Year! And tell her if you make you call me.
Yeah, man.
After we answer no next call come, you know what, me answer the phone. And somebody asks me about the phone, I'll lead them. I tell her to find the phone. Which part sure so me lock her off and so come the phone lock off.
Yeah.
When the person start to question me, no, me lock off the phone, I say no, I me lock off the phone.
Yeah, because when you tell my wife say you have it, everything.
Yeah, me tell the person I use. I don't know it's
alright, mommy. Thank you very much, yeah?
Yeah, man. If you find the next one,
yeah. Check feed for me. Me sort out something for you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, man. Bless you. Yeah, man. As we are saying again, we get back to Shabba ranking because one the man for know say brother. We need to be the brother where we used to be, yes, sir. I mean I talk this because me I call, me I talk for make you know say. Me want we be brother because me I look a cup of tea or me I call if you say Shabba send a thing from foreign or shop. No, I know that me want. Me want that ninja man and Shabba there. For your par. Like how we used to par. You understand me? Because me can't tell you that, my youth. We already being the man, you know. So we can't be the boy again, you know. You understand me? And there's no way we unite, we're going to make dancehall don't default or derail. We unite, we're going to make dancehall be more stronger. We unite, we're going to make some more artists see how to live. Because remember from day one, Ninja Man and Shabba ranking, my youth. You not even you don't know where dancehall last when me see you come at Jamaican. You're so against me for one me no know. Where me do you me no know my youth because you're so against me my youth. The people the press people and look for you and say when Ninja Man said this and you as a man as my brethren, you feel just look for the people and I'm gonna tell you this and this is what hurt me. You really make me feel like say you really hate me, brother. Because watch it now. Before you just look on them and say, well, people, you don't know. Me make a talk and Ninja Man might have feel offended about it and he makes some talk, but you know a gag and that. And anyway, me see gag and I love. The thing straighten out back and people say the thing balance, it was we alright. But when you, brother, shoot by the mic and get ignorant and start going like you cuss bad word and ray. Brother, it don't look good, brother. You understand? It don't look good, brother. And I know like say you do it behind back up on the national TV. It put a dent in about me and your career. I know man no my career alone. Your career it put a dent. It put a dent in my career to make we look like say we are some ignorant artists. You understand me? And we can't allow ourselves to be looking like we ignorant and look like we dark because we are the leader, you know. You understand? We are the leader, we are lock the place. We are lock the place, my youth. We are lock the place. All our youth, them we see up there, up here now. Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, all of them. The whole of the little young artists, them look up to Shabba Rankin and then look up to Ninja, man. You understand me? So right now we have to set a trend, my brother. Set a trend, my brother. May I beg you do? Just make we join the band and build back the dance hall. You understand me? I mean, I talk because I look nothing from you, brother. I talk because I love and respect and I you me know. And me and you apart from day one. Shabba Rankin, if you remember saying, you know, them a give me glory if you make peace between labor right and PNP, you know. Shabba Rankin, you know, me alone do it, you know. If you remember that, you know. All in sitting here, you know. You have to remember, you know, youth. Say you're dead with me 24/7, 48, 14, you know. For fight to make labor right and PNP unite, you know. You hear that? You're dead with me, you know, youth. And me and your friend, that's why the peace they go on, you know. Because we were me and you joined the band, them, couldn't live for no the Tower and Mall where they go segregate again, you know, and go war again, you know. And when me draw for African Star around and me yard at Ennis Avenue and start the campaign, you know, for peace, you know. Every Thursday night you in my yard with me, you are the first DJ for reach me yard, you know, Shabba Rankin. You understand me? And you fight that battle until the final day. When we are carried the thing go down a Tower school, down a Olympic way school, you know, brother. Members say, you know, brother. Go with me hand to hand, go look about the schoolroom and everything, you know, brother. Shabba, you know, remember where we are come from, you know, brother. No richness, no make we are no brother, you know. Because you're rich and me rich. You understand me? No richness, no make we are no brother. No richness, no make we are no family. You understand me? The things them and the tribulation and the struggle where we got through at that build a band there. I mean, I dash with a band there, Shabba Rankin, for no love, no money, how much ear none, brother. A time for we realize that we are one family, brother, and a time for we get back to where we get back to, brother. When you walk with me and we go down a Tower schoolroom, when I Bunny Wizzy kick up like a wild wasp, me couldn't talk to Bunny Wizzy. Are you and Kiba Rankin talk to Bunny Wizzy? Yeah? Are you and Kiba Rankin talk to Bunny Wizzy? Are you and Kiba Rankin talk to Bunny Prime? Are you and Kiba Rankin talk to Barefoot Cowboy? Yeah? Are you and Kiba Rankin talk to the whole I labor right killer them way down at Tower Hill? All I man we are busted like buckle. Yeah? Are you talk to you and Kiba Rankin talk to them? Me never have no friend down there to talk to them. I uno talk to them. Me could have bring Kilimanjaro coming at Olympic way schoolroom and make labor right and PNP unite till today day. So nobody go on like say, yeah go on like a me alone in this thing and a me alone you left in that thing and go on like say Ray. Stop going like you want to use things to make me and you segregate, brother, because I know that's where we are come from, brother. I know that's where we are come from, brother. You understand? When you come down here in your range, me down here every day in my Benz. You understand? I mean I know all car. Me car a 2014 car. Yeah? So that means me in the thing. You in the thing. It also me live in a 5-bedroom for people live. Me have 2 when me have for guests and 3 upstairs. And me have helpers quarters. Me have everything. If me want pool in my yard, me can request it because me not no house. Me have everything when me get it free. Yeah. So right now, brother, we had more daily there, brother. I want you to come off for that pride there, brother. Because it's not damaging just me and your career. It had damaged the music industry career. Here, no man no more and no man. Me not have no reason for bad mind Shabba. Shabba never get powerful than me in our world yet. Shabba get Grammy and Shabba sign with CBS. Me could have signed. Me don't sign. It's not your fault make me not sign. Me that a man will love sign. You hear? So if me not sign with nobody, I know your fault. So when me I grudge you for? Me are the hungry reggae artist in Jamaica, dancehall artist in Jamaica, where me have a picture this. But you can't get that for buy more, so. Not even me can get it again. Here? Michael Jackson have one. You never go upon one of that yet. Oh, you no bad mind me for that. Eh? Me are the first artist, you understand, to come back to Jamaica and throw money from airport to Montego Bay. You never bad mind me for that. Eh? Away from Mandela and Selassie, and me get the biggest motorcade from airport. You never bad mind me for that. Me never organize a motorcade yet. When me I come back to Jamaica. And people come out to see me in a tens and thousands. And you never bad mind me for that. So why now? Because you might sign with CBS. And because you might get Grammy. Me I go bad mind you for that? Come on, Shabba Rankin, man. You say people tell you, say, me I say this and me say that. And when you come to me, me I tell you say nothing no go so. But you don't believe in me, you believe in people them. So you say something go so. You know nobody couldn't come to me and tell me that Shabba say nothing. Until today day. You can't come tell me that Shabba say Ninja Man are this and Ninja Man are that. Me tell you say, yeah, man, go away from here, man. When you say to Shabba, make Shabba say so. That me I say. Yeah? When you come here, if you come do some fest, and you have the motorcade, me not timid no, because I go tell you this Shabba Rankin. Me not too know when you not come here, because I not listen radio, I not watch TV, you know. Here. Me watch beer movie. Because I can't bother listen full listens every day. So I don't know when certain things are going on in Jamaica. Because I not even have Jamaican TV channel for my thing there. Till just the other day when me get the Android box them. And me download everything. When me have my satellite dish, me not have no Jamaican channel on it. And I just since last year me get Jamaican channel in my house. Because me done with a satellite dish and gone to the Android box. So me have unlimited amount of everything I want me type in and programming in. Yeah? And when you are coming at me, you know, I go about my business. And when me broke up in the big crowd of Olympic way. And when me broke up in the crowd and them say Shabba Rankin, and when the people them see me, the crowd busting at two Shabba. And when me see crowd busting at two and see Ninja fans them there, so and Shabba fans them there, so and me see the crowd are going away and I say, come with Pastor Shabba there, and me I say, this not gonna work. Me DJ no come here for much years. And the one time come here to come do him show. And him get him glory. Me if you come bust him crowd not two and me just go and me come right to Pilly almost to Pilly Blacks Plaza when you go inside. And people are drawing me over there and me I say, hear me? Me I go for me car and me I go circle Shabba and see you. Me don't come and see you. You know why? Shabba Rankin you just come. Me no intend to come half, come split your glory in a two. Feel look like no negative Ninja Man fan there and Shabba. No. Everybody there is a fair glorify Shabba Rankin. Sorry. Other energy there me I look for. Every glory where you forget, more you get it. Because you deserve whatsoever you get. The other day me and Kiba reason. And Kiba say, Gargan. Me and Shabba reason and Shabba say, two other thing you said. Me will cut God foreign, you know. And make Gargan run yard. And me stay from foreign and run when me I run. Alright. It's if you say you stay foreign and me stay a yard. And me and you link Shabba. Dance all who don't reach his pride reach. You understand? If me and you link and we are daily dancehall. Dancehall who don't reach his pride reach. It who don't mash up. At the segregation with Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin mash up dancehall. Because Josie Whale and Charlie Chaplin never segregate. Brigadier they never segregate. Daddy Ride, they never segregate. Me never hear Big Youth, Ira, King Stitch. None of them man they never segregate. Until today, the man them are one family them. All our leaders and elders before we unite until today. Me never hear say Josie will thump down Peter Metro in one dance yet. You hear that? Me never hear say Dickie Rankin knock Peter Metro upon him mouth and Peter Metro and Skilly Rankin not this and that. Me never hear none of them something there. So me not see why we fit in them something there, brother. And after Josie Whale and Shabba Rankin and Josie Whale Super Cat and Early B them. And Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin, you know. It's Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin after them Josie Whale Brigadier Super Cat them. It's Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin. It's the two elder right there, so. After Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin, you have Mad Cabra, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man and Buju Bantan. After them, you have the younger artists, them are come up now. So if we now set an example for the younger youth, them unite and live good, how you expect Bounty Killer and Beanie Man to live? How you expect in Vibes Cartel them and Hide One of them and Busy Signal them to live? And Mavado and Popcorn them now go live good. Cause me and you now live good. You understand? If when you come to Jamaica, and the people them say, Shabba Rankin, Ninja Man, you say, remember me tell you, you know, our grassroots, and that's how we start from. And when men say Ninja Man, Shabba Rankin, me say, what you say? Without him, more than name Ninja. The people them are going to say, me tell you no this, and that's something you have to go on. Then Bounty Killer and Beanie Man are going to say, you see that's something when Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin are dealing. And that we are dealing. Man, you see where something when Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin are dealing? Had that Popcorn and Tamili are go dealing. Had that Mavado and Vibes Cartel are go dealing. Had that the whole music fraternity are go dealing. The unification, the strength, and the building of dancehall. You understand me? Sorry, when you reach a stage in life, you must always try to help the younger ones them to be strong. And the greatest strength in life right now is unification. So Shabba Rankin, me I'll call upon you one more time. Remember no food where I look. Me nah seek a way. Fi tell you say, I want you help me with nothing. I want to show you say a time for we unite. Me get your link for call you. But me say before me link for call you. You know what me I go do? I go tell the public what me want to talk to you about. You understand? Me could have get link from, me could have get check Kiba for link, but me not check Kiba. Me have people are foreign. And me have people who rate me and rate you where you and them a good friend. So me get to one of your closest friend in foreign. And me get a link for you. So if when me call you, you not answer. Me know say you're serious in a wonder unity here. You say me call you and you answer, we go reason like two, brother. And when we done reason, we don't want to reason like no hypocrite and then you say, oh, think you know nothing with Ninja Man. No. Me don't want to reason and when you done you go say, oh, Gargan. You know, chat him and go chat and be a hypocrite thing, man. No. When we done reason, we're up on a platform where we say Ninja and Shabba. Yeah? We want up on a platform where we can respect one another, brother. And want up on a platform where the younger artists them can see when two artists will start a band, join a band and build a band. Can see where reggae music come from, where dancehall music is supposed to reach. So anyhow we unite back Shabba, dancehall get hotter. Because the biggest show can keep in Jamaica right now. You can charge all blood cleat $300 US for going at that the show there. Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin in any stadium, the two of them alone. Nowhere no pack so. And me can tell you this. Just for the unification. Me can tell you and your whosoever you have to promote that show. I will not take a cent. I just want the unity to build back. Me want the unity to build back, Shabba. Remember me no broke, you know. Before me said as people want me come talk to you about this. A bag of new tune me draw. Bag of new tune and me a bag of new tune and me no done make it, Shabba. Me have a bag of thing I go on. So I don't like me I look lyrics. I don't like me broke and me hungry. Cause me sure say in life me no know about no artist. But me happy. Cause God bless me with one wife when me a wait pan for over 40 years to find. And now that me find her, me are the happiest man in the world. Me not no financial problem because God and me not spend my money. Me I spend God money. Me don't have a cent for me I spend. Me don't have no house, me live in a God house. Everything where me have a God. God does make some people like me and give me. So me don't want nothing. Me alright with what me have. Where God ever give me. You understand me? Me just want to see that unity a build back, that strength a build back, and Ninja Man and Shabba Ranking can be the two person where them used to be from day one when me buck you when you have on the cut off foot pants and the buck down back clocks. You understand? Enough thing with a reason about Shabba. But me can't reason pan internet I talk to you about Ray. Me want reason with you either on the phone till we can reason face to face. And if you want to call me, just get to Kiba. Because I now show me about my number so straight. But you can get to Kiba. Kiba have my number. Or tell Kiba say, tell Gargan call me. Yeah? Because I now call you and face no embarrassment, no foolishness. Because I now call you for that. Me I call you for set back a vibe where you say, yes, Shabba Ranking, you and Ninja Man are two brothers in a dance hall. The ugliest one them. The two ugly one them. The nasty mouth one and the dirty stinking one. Yeah? So you, my brother, make we get back to the thing. Whether you can collect your OD and me have me LOVE. So it two are we great. You understand me? You get order of distinction and me get love from the nation. The two are we been loved by the whole world. So yeah, me brother, them fight you, them fight me. A whole heap of way them try to stop we. But we now watch them and then stop. We have to pull that the gap. That gap there where them have between me and you and the gap there between dancehall, Shabba Ranking is up to me and you to open that gap and set a trend between it. That the younger youth them can see say, yeah, I think this we are dealing, you know. You understand me? So make we just do it, brother. Anytime you're ready, you link Kiba. Kiba can give you my number. Or tell Kiba say, tell Gargan call me. You hear? Because a time for we unite Shabba Ranking. Me never do nothing from day one. Me not plan for do nothing day two. I'm in a business in involved in a nothing for if it hurt you in a day three. Only thing me interested for do is for uplift dancehall, build back the relationship and the unity where me and you did have. And anybody will watch back the videos them from in the 80s right back to the 90s with Ninja Man and Shabba Ranking. Then can see say them are two artists where love and respect and check for them one another. You understand me? I mean know you're Shabba Ranking, know you're a man you're born January. I don't know love all things and never let it go. But me I go tell you something. Me born January too. It two we are two January born. And if we decide to drop things, it can drop. And when we drop things and forget it, we forget it. You understand me? And all I things that were going and everything we go through and thing, enough thing me drop. Me forget enough things and forgive enough things. There's time for you to throw down pride and let's live. You understand me? The pride thing and the foolishness and the misunderstanding, we can reason it out. Because all the way you talk about and I say, me no do nothing. And there's as God up at heaven, me no see where me do you. You understand me? Because me walk on my stadium because me never want to clash you. You understand me? I mean, never look upon you one day and tell you, say, Shabba, years are this or years are that. You understand me? Me never do it. You can't tell me, say, me ever tell you that. No way. And me never know, say, things still are going with Ninja Man and Shabba Ranking. Because since that the competition done, me remember you come back and come a compound. And it come like you could have killed me. Because you come a compound and me come check you right behind the station. and you have weed and you give me $1,000 bag of weed. And me sit down and burn a spliff and me left and go away. And me never know say things boil up after me after all that. You understand me? Because when you come the other day and the way me see you react, me would have want to know where you where things boil up. And when me I watch the interview with Capleton and watch back the one with Mavado, me I wonder what make you deal with me so and why who tell you things about me. Me see when you come here the other day and Beanie Man go up on the radio and say I buy your motorcade. Me was the man who come out and say Beanie Man what you do. Me Shabba Rankin never pay me if you come Olympic way. And me go, so what you mean I buy the man buy motorcade? And me come turn up and defend that. You understand? With me and Beanie Man in my part every day. You understand me? Anytime man talk bad boy you, me and him have problem. And if the youth them did really never love me and respect me, you know much artists who don't deal with me through Shabba Rankin, because you can't say nothing bad about Shabba Rankin front of me or behind me. You can't do it in press nor nowhere because you say Shabba Rankin me I defend it, whether you're dead or not. So why me I defend you 24/7, 48, 14? And you believe in some people I tell you one bag of bull SHIT and I try tear me down every day, brother. You never yet see me give nobody coke in a dance hall. Because if me used to give people coke in a dance hall, me wouldn't stop smoke coke. Because when you give you the mark of the beast, gotta go make the mark of the beast kill you. Every man will go in a coke and give a next man coke and teach people to smoke coke. You end up be a cokehead until the day you're dead. The reason why me could have go in a cocaine and come out back because me go study it and find out that this is something they used to kill Bob Marley, then used to kill Gregory Isaac, then used to kill Dennis Brown, then used to kill out all of the great men them in the music industry. It's a weapons of death for all powerful artists. So me go in it and walk out because me go in it to conquer it and me conquer it because me send it by God. Me have power more than enough, man. You understand me? Enough for not talk about cocaine and this and that. Enough for 90% of the artists them in the 80s used to smoke. Who no burn a Wilbert split used to smoke pipe. Who no stop going like no do it. Then you go tell me say no, me I reach your coke. Then you go say bad mind and coverage shot. What kind of bad mind me bad mind? Me can't bad mind because me never turn me back for none of you yet. If me see you in the ground, me try live for no out. When me come meet you, we with them time there. Me did I say me a different PNP party. No, me is not a Labour right now, a PNP. Because me see what politics do to people. But them time them me a PNP, you do Shabba Rankin now. You was a Labour right. If me never had a share things, oh me go look, me no go for a PNP youth in my community. Me come for a Labour right youth way over Towile with Towile and Malwood in a war. Right after election. Eh? So oh me no share things. Oh me bad mind. And me come for me enemy come bust me enemy. Just look into that, no Shabba Rankin, man. Look into that. Me no go over Catburn Pen, which over Catburn Pen you have a bag of DJ. You have Junior Cat, Iron Man, Marlon Brando, Clive C. You understand me? You have Richie Cool Breeze. You have Mark Anthony, you have Eddie Murphy. You have Junior Murphy. You know much artists there around me, I me never draw for them. Me draw for Shabba Rankin from down at Towile. We're over the enemy zone. Yeah? Now Towile and Malwood are one. And now me and you make that becomes one. You understand? Then again, from you come from fine. You never come back to Malwood. They're going like you're no Malers. You're Malwood and Towile artists. You play that damn thing I may show you. See a whole thing where you do, where you not look pan where you do. You come and you never go to Malwood, yet go visit Malwood people them. Eh? And Malwood people then support you to the end. You think of me, when the day when you this little miss and the man them don't kill you. You feel like say me alone make you not dead? The people them were around there because me alone can't save you. The same people them where don't kill you love you. That's why when me come and say, yo, no can't do him nothing, you know, have to kill me first. And pop off my thing and make them know say. Then could have shoot me because police dead away have gun. And soldier dead away have gun. And be a gunman dead away have gun. Then could have kill me and kill you. But then love you too. So them I say, I missed the DJ making him. I could have loved him because our DJ defend him too, you know. And real bad man I defend him too, you know. Nobody feel like me alone did love you that day there. Me alone couldn't do it. Me alone couldn't do it. So you have Malwood people them for respect to. They make you live for sit to the day, my brother. You understand me? Even though war would have gone and more man that dead, but nothing could bring back Shabba Rankin. And if they want, they could have killed Ninja Man too. So nothing could bring back none away. You understand me? I just love of the same people them where you disrespect them. You Risto Benji. Then still respect you. You shouldn't have no borderline with Malwood and Towile. When you come, you have to go on Malwood too. You understand me? Start deal with the people them like how me and you used to par. Remember you used to walk from compound, come up run a back part of Malwood and come up Malwood, come through Malwood Square and come all the way back round Henderson Avenue, come check me. So why you come down and you not check the people them? You know say me go to Towile every minute? Eh? When me ready, me go check Pilly Blacks. When me ready, me go check the youth them run pan the back road them. Me go all about Nato Avenue. You understand? Me go everywhere around there. You understand me? And me par with the whole of man them. You understand? Because what? Me tell myself say, me is for them and them is for me. No, you know I'm gonna come at Mall Road. That not right, brother. You understand? You never come a Mall Road from your left Jamaica. When you come, you go see you go Towile. What happened to Mall Road? Or you might pass through Waterhouse. What happened to Mall Road? And Mall Road your career start. It's Mall Road your career start. From around the back part of Mall Road, 2 round of my yard at Henderson Avenue, 31 Henderson Avenue. That's where we used to rehearse every Thursday night. Pan African Star Sound. You start from around the back of Mall Road till you come in a Mall Road Square pan King Africa till you come round a my yard on Henderson Avenue. And that's how your career start till you move from this and leave on to Cockburn Pen, Kilimanjaro until you get worldwide international. But a Mall Road people them and Towile people them bust your my youth. So why you choose one set of people for par with? Me now part one set of people because me say living on free food ticket. And when me say living on free food ticket, you was a man we back it. You was the man, you and Kiba Rankin, will stand up with me and help me to gather up at the people them down at Towile. Me couldn't come at Towile. And you and Kiba Rankin make me could have come at Towile and get up the people them. And you get up all like bad man them. And you get up all like the killer them. And you get up all like man them will rate you. You understand? And you and Kiba go talk to who if you talk to. You understand me? And then me could have able to come in, we don't know, and say this way I deal with. And then when the election come, and when they come to come hold on pan ballot box, the same set of people, them, the same bad man them where you go talk to, look pan the MP from down at a while and said, Ninja man says peaceful election, fair election. And that's so him the election run fair that it go that the Mall Road MP win. Yeah? So now go on like say and me make that peace here alone, and me make that unity alone, and me make that band here alone between Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party. No, it's Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin and Kiba Rankin. 3 little youth. And when we go in a Towile schoolroom, the little youth will make the thing go on, will really make the place bust and make the peace really sign. Is when Bunny Wizzy come in and grab the mic out of my hand in the schoolroom and say, Ninja Man, me just shoot your cousin Bunny Prime. And me take back the mic from him and say, Bunny Wizzy, you and Bunny Prime is labor right and labor right. Uno sort out no thing. You know where a little you grab the mic out of me and say, Pineminen 0, Ninja Man, you a hero. And I saw the shot then start bust and me draw living and free food ticket. And when you come in and hold on the mic, it wasn't a nice sight that night. You don't remember all these things, Shabba Rankin, and I need you to remember them. Yes, sir? Anyway, you're there tonight, or today, in idea. And anytime you finish live, me I go post. So you can, the world can share it. And make them know, say, me I call up on Shabba Rankin today. Like how me call up on the youth of Jamaica to cut down on crime. Me I call up on Shabba Rankin. As my brother, to make we build back the band, build back the unity, build back the strength, and lift up back dancehall. Because without me and him, it not go nice again. Because the unity we fi in a dancehall. Shabba not dead, Ninja not dead, so they not live good. Where that come from? Why the 2 man them were at the head of the stream supposed to dirty? Then you don't expect the little youth them made down the road for live good? A foolishness on our talk, man. You can't expect the youth them to unite when we now live right. So you wanna make we check ourselves before we wreck ourselves. And that me I tell you, Shabba Rankin, Big up yourself. You're my little brother. And me will forever love and respect you. And don't feel like me ever hate you. And this is what me I tell you from me heart. Me no want nothing from you. Me just want to be back Shabba Ranking and Ninja Man.